One of Microsoft Word's key features is its options for editing text. In this topic, you will learn about Word's basic editing features, including the Office clipboard, undo and redo. You don't always get your documents right first time. Sometimes you need to reorder parts of your work. There are several ways to move text around in a Microsoft Word document. The easiest method is drag and drop. To use the drag and drop method, you select the text and drag the text to where you want it to be. You can also use the cut, copy and paste commands to move text around. Cutting and copying place the text on the clipboard, which we will cover in a moment. Pasting text involves putting that text somewhere else. You should cut text when you want to move it from one location to another, or when you want to remove that text you may need later. To cut text, select the text first. Then choose a cut command. Use the copy command when you want to copy text from one location to another. First, select the text you want to copy, then click the copy button in the Home tab. You can also right-click on the text and click copy, or use the Ctrl+C shortcut. It may not look like anything has happened, but your text has been copied to the clipboard. When you have cut or copied your text, you can paste it anywhere you want. Just click in the spot where you want the text to appear and click the Paste button on the Home tab. You can also right-click in the target location and click one of the paste commands on the right-click menu. Or if you prefer using the keyboard, use the Ctrl+V shortcut. By default, paste will only insert the last item that was cut or copied. As a bonus, knowing the cut, copy and paste keyboard shortcuts means you can also use them outside of Word. They are universal across nearly all Windows programs. The clipboard is where cut and copied text or objects are stored until they are pasted. Normally, it is an invisible area where you can store only one object at a time. However, if you open the Office clipboard, you can save up to 24 items at a time, see them and paste them as needed. For a paste instance, you can control how the paste operation works by clicking the drop-down arrow below the Paste command on the Home tab. Some other options you may encounter when pasting content are Keep source formatting. Keeps the formatting from the original text. Merge formatting. Changes the pasted text formatting to match that of the document. Keep text only. Changes the formatting of the pasted text back to the default font and size with no formatting. Paste special. Opens the Paste Special dialog box, which allows you to perform advanced pasting operations. And Set Default Paste. Opens the Word Options dialog box so that you can control how future paste operations work. The Undo command is on the Quick Access toolbar. This command lets you undo one previous action or several previous actions. Alternatively, you can use the Ctrl+Z shortcut. Undo can be a lifesaver. But before depending on it too much, remember that the Undo command is not always available. For example, you cannot undo saving a file. The Redo or Repeat command is next to the Undo command on the Quick Access toolbar. When available, this command lets you undo one previous action or several previous actions. You can also use the Ctrl+Y shortcut. Let's move some text around in the document. The easiest method to use for this is drag and drop. To use the drag and drop method, first select the text. Release the mouse button, then click and hold your left mouse button on the selection. Now drag the text to where you want it. When you reach the new location, release the mouse button. Notice that the text has moved. Using the cut, copy and paste commands is another common way to reorganize text. To move text, you can use the cut and paste method. To cut text, select the text first. Then click the Cut button on the Home tab. You can also right-click the selected text and click Cut or use the Ctrl+X shortcut. The next step is to place your cursor at the location you want to paste the text. To paste, you can click the Paste button on the Home tab. You can also right-click and choose Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V. Notice that the text is now relocated to its new position. That was the cut and paste method in action. Let's look at the copy and paste method now. The copy command works in a very similar way, except when completed, you have two copies of the selected text. As before, first select the text you want to copy. Choose the copy command. Place your cursor where you want the text to appear and paste your text. You have many paste options, such as click the paste button on the Home tab, right-click and click the paste command, or if you prefer, use the Ctrl-V shortcut. By default, paste will only insert the last item that was cut or copied, but you can continue to paste out that item as often as you like. The reason for this is when you cut or copy an element in a Word document, it is stored in an area known as the clipboard. The clipboard is an invisible area restricted to holding only one object at a time. However, you can open the Office clipboard with a click of the More button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. With Clipboard opened, you can now store up to 24 items at a time and paste them as needed. Every time you cut or copy an item, it automatically appears in the clipboard. You will also get a notification on your taskbar. And there will be an Office clipboard icon in your taskbar, which you can right-click for options. To paste an item from the clipboard, place your cursor in the document and click the item you want to paste from the clipboard task pane. You can right-click items or click the drop-down arrow on a clipboard item to view a context menu that allows you to paste or delete the item. There are also buttons named Paste All and Clear All at the top of the clipboard. The Options button at the bottom of the clipboard task pane offers some choices. You can turn these on or off to control how the clipboard operates. To close the clipboard, click the X icon at the top right of the panel. You can control how the paste operation works for each paste instance by clicking the drop-down arrow below the paste command on the Home tab. Just after you execute a paste command, in the Paste Option button at the end of the pasted text, you'll also have these choices. Here you have the following options: Keep Source Formatting, Merge Formatting, Paste as Picture, and Keep Text Only. Choosing the Keep Text Only option, you can opt to paste only the text without any formatting. With the Paste Special option, you open a dialog box with even more choices, including pasting as an image. If you are not sure how you want your content pasted, why not try using the Live Preview? You'll get these previews automatically when you place your cursor over a paste option on the Paste drop-down command or the Paste Options menu. When the one you like is displayed, click that button. Have you ever made an error in your document? Not a big issue when you have the Undo command at your disposal. The Undo command is on the Quick Access toolbar. You can undo one previous action or several previous actions. If you're making many mistakes, you might want to memorize the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl and Z. The Redo or Repeat command is next to the Undo command on the Quick Access toolbar. It is available if you have already used the Undo command. With this, you undo one previous action or several previous actions. And it can be operated by the Ctrl and Y shortcut.